If I make this, you guys have to like and sub. I've been wanting to do something for quite some time now, and I think today's the perfect day to do it. I saw this video of Kanye turning up to I Got a Feeling by Black Eyed Peas in the club, and that brought back so many memories.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. Round and round, up and down, around the clock. Monday, Tuesday.
I swear y'all, rainy days and this nature, this beautiful drive, oh my god, life is good right now. Life is good right now. It just, nothing really beats this, you know? This naturey smell going throughout my nostrils, it's like, damn. It's, damn, look at this neighborhood. That house is freaking bonkers. Alright guys, I just made it to the courts and I just found out that, they closed the courts because of the rain, which makes sense. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to hoop in the rain because it's a vibe, but that's not happening today. Well, we're going to figure out something to do, so, and I don't know what that is exactly, so, let's go. All right, guys, we finally found some courts. There it is, finally. If I make this, you guys have to like and sub. If I make this, you guys like 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 sub. Alright, if I make this, you have to like and sub. Alright, if I make it. Alright, like. It makes like. Alright, thanks. Like. Alright, thanks. Alright, like. Alright, thanks. Alright, thanks. Alright, makes like. Alright, like. Alright, this what's up? Alright, like. What's up? What's up? Yes, what's up? Mate, what's up? Mate, what's up? Mate, like. Fifth. I make it. I make it. Eight to club. If I make this, you have to like and sub.
Sin City was a Mavia.
Life is so good right now, just being able to be out here. Nobody's out here except for the kids. It's so therapeutic. I needed this. I've been wanting to do this for years. Like I just been waiting for the right moment to play basketball in the rain. Just being able to listen to music, shoot some hoops. It's the best feeling. And I am going to do this every time it rains. And no one's stopping me. Oh, I love it. Enough yapping. Let's go. If I make this, you guys have to like and sub.